So we're driving through old Hilo town. That's what it looks like. You can walk here from the ship. It's about 2.5 miles each way though. So we may stop here on the way back. But it's just shops and restaurants. Pick yourself up an ukulele. Right there, ukulele. A crest store. Well, we're at Rainbow Falls. We're gonna walk over there to see the falls. We're not gonna make it to Akaka Falls, but I am gonna put video of it in the end of this video from our last time here at Akaka Falls. But this is Rainbow Falls. And this is the Rainbow Falls lookout we're coming to. So they have steps made out of lava rock. And they're pretty uneven and irregular. Of course, that's what it looks like down there. That's the parking lot. We haven't gotten that far. I suppose in the rainy season, don't know when that is, but this is a much bigger waterfall.
You can see where all the driftwood collected.
Yeah, but it is just outside of Hilo. I mean, the town is right there. People are walking the rocks over there. Okay. I think lots of people do, but I guess maybe we shouldn't. A lot of warnings. Got some big trees with other plants growing up inside them. Well, it's a waterfall that creates rainbows, and it's on the Waialuku River. So we drove down to Richardson Ocean Park. The main part of Hilo is way off in the distance there. It was only a couple miles out.
You see people snorkeling and everything and swimming.
But I think parking is going to be an issue now. And I got somebody behind me. Otherwise I would back out.
Go forward.
So that's Richardson Ocean Park. Park is the magic word. Parking. Or ain't it?
So, that out there?
So I don't know if this is part of Richardson Ocean Park. That's it over there, but there was no place to park in the park. But it does look like there might be good snorkeling here. We brought our snorkeling gear, but well, Janet, what happened?
We forgot our bathing suits.
Yes, we came ill prepared. Yeah, but then we'd be wet the rest of the day. I did bring my water shoes, but I guess there's no need for those. You've got some good lava rock flowing out into the ocean. Of course, this might be 10,000 years old, I don't know. The water looks clear. Of course, there's no sand. So that means clear water, right? Somewhat. Crabs. Well, Janet decided not to come. By the way, that's our rental car. We're going to take a little stroll around. I see waves crashing out on the point. Oh, picnic tables and barbecue. I guess you have to bring your own grill though. Flying the flags of Hawaii. Lizard. The grass has grown over the black lava rocks. We were looking for black sand beaches. Well, we just found one. So that's kind of what they look like sometimes. Although they're usually gravel like this, but there's sand there. That was the black sand beach. Look at how calm and peaceful and pretty this is. Except for the kids screaming. And I think I found some bathrooms. So if you need to go, now's your chance. Now that looks like white sand down in there. See, that's water. It's just still and clear. Oh. We parked down there and then walked back to Richardson Ocean Park. So this is it. That's the parking lot where we got stuck. Not that it matters to you, but we sat there in the car for 10 or 15 minutes waiting for the guy to move out of our way so we could get out. I guess you could swim in there. I don't see any no swimming signs. I just don't see anybody doing it, although it is mossy. Janet, yeah.
2,
2.
3.
Keep counting. Fishes. So, guess something's going on here. Got like a kiosk set up here. Removal of sand, coral, rock, soil, or other beach composition is prohibited. Ukulele. Oh, there's stairs. There's black sand. Now that's sand. There's a sock, black sock. Not to be confused with black sand. And a little dried up crab. See him there? Oh, here's a bunch of people over here. You don't see those little birds right there? They're like yellow with an orange head. But we've seen a lot of them today down here. I think they're expecting me to feed them. This looks like a field of taro that's been planted. Oh, here's the beach. Oh, we're walking on black sand now. It's when it's dry as grass, right? Expecting coral reefs. There's your black sand. And a lifeguard. And the good smell of weed. Sweet smell. Oh, a lot of people in one place. Trying to figure out what to do. I guess there was a bridge across. We took the scenic route. There's the beach over there, and remember I talked about swimming in those ponds? Well, here's the sign. Now, do people see that sign? Probably not. Probably not. But there's nobody swimming in the ponds, and you know, like I said, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Now we just have to return the car and get back to the ship. And Janet's pointing out the facilities, if you need to go yet. So that was our day in Hilo, Hawaii.
It was fun. We started out taking an Uber up to Enterprise Rent-A-Car.
I think it was only $66 through Costco Travel, and the Ubers each way were like $10. So the tours the ship sells anyway, all were like $200 minimum.
Yeah, 200 to like 289,
And
it's like, man, that's expensive. So we ended up doing the same things as the tour. We went to we went to Rainbow Falls, we went to the crater,
Volcanoes National Park.
and we went to Richardson Bay, Richardson Ocean
Park.
had a black sand beach.
Forgot our bathing suits.
Yeah, forgot our bathing suits,
Didn't go
even though
swimming.
we got our snorkeling equipment.
Hauled that snorkeling equipment around all day. Anyway,
And it was heavy.
yeah.
But we had a fun day. The weather was perfect.
Yeah. Well, hot and humid.
Yeah,
Hawaii.
but it could have been hotter and it could have been more humid. There were a lot of clouds.
Yeah, I guess it could have.
Kept the sun from beating on us. So it ended up costing about $100 to do everything for 2 of us. So it was all good.
Yay.
So from the Grand Princess, I'm Janet,
And I'm Gareth,
and we'll see you in the next port
which will be Honolulu.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.